The big news is, by popular demand, so to speak, I'm doing a platform-specific workshop on Cobra/IRS, which is for 99 to 04 Cobras plus SN95 GTs that are converted to IRS. Plus, we have a whole new group of guys that are converting Fox Mustangs to IRS, which is really very cool. And I'm going to do this workshop. Basically, it's going to be, I built, starting back in 2001, I built some absolutely amazing Cobra and GT with IRS track cars, but for the CSR series. And I'm going to go through in the workshop and talk about how I created these cars, the philosophy behind it, the things you need to do, and if you want to create one of these really cool cars yourself, the steps you need to take. So it is going to be IRS specific because if you don't know it, we are the IRS guys in the aftermarket for 99 to 04 Cobras. I've got vast amount of experience in IRS cars way before 99 when the Mustang came out, all the way back to the 70s, where I was doing like open wheel SCCA cars, Formula Fords, Formula Atlantics, and also back then the Triumphs, TR6s, Spitfires all had IRS. So it's something I was really familiar with when the IRS first came out in 99. And we just, we've stuck with it. We still support 99 to 04 Cobras with chassis and suspension pieces. So that's going to be Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. Eastern time, this Wednesday the 14th. And to get into the workshop, you need to register. The reason you need to register because I decided to do this in a little different format than Cars and Coffee. We're going to do this kind of like I do the Speed Therapy Academy. It's going to be in Zoom, which is a different platform than what we're using right now. But to get the Zoom link, you have to register, and then you'll get a Zoom link just before the workshop. So that's coming up. I'm pretty excited about it, and I know we got a whole lot of positive comments about that.